My English Book 1, Class 1. Traffic lights. Read the poem and learn it by heart. Red light, red light. Red light, red light. What do you say? I say stop. Stop right away. Yellow light, yellow light. Yellow light, yellow light. What do you say? I say wait. I say wait till the light turns green. Green light, green light. What do you say? I say go. I say go and go right away. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Red, yellow, green. Now I know what traffic light mean. Now I know what traffic lights mean. Traffic signs. Crossing, crossing. Parking, parking. No parking. No horn, no horn. Hospital, hospital. U-turn, U-turn. Bridge crossing, bridge crossing. Dustbin, drive slow, drive slow, drive slow.